This video is going to demonstrate how to do the work problems for lesson 7.5. So I'm using the textbook. You have an e-text with your access code. In number 16 on page 557, Tony needs 4 hours to complete the yard work. Her husband, Sonny, needs 6 hours to do the work. How long will the job take if they work together? The general formula that you can use for these work problems is time together over time alone for the one person plus time together over time alone for the second person equals one whole job. So what we're going to have in this one is we don't know the time together to do the yard work. But Tony, if she worked alone, took 4 hours. Sonny, if he works alone, takes 6 hours. And together, they complete one whole job. So to figure out the answer to this equation, we're going to clear the fraction. The least common denominator between 4 and 6 is 12. So I'm going to multiply everything by 12. And what that will do is clear the fraction. So this becomes 3t plus 2t equals 12. 3t plus 2t is 5t. Divide by 5. And t equals 12 fifths, which is going to be 2 2/5 hours. So if they work together, you would expect it to take less time than working alone. So whatever your answer is should be smaller than either of these two numbers. The next one we're going to look at is number 19, shoveling snow. Working together, Greg and Cindy can clean the snow from a driveway in 20 minutes. It would have taken Cindy, working alone, 36 minutes. How long would it have taken Greg if he had worked alone? So I'm going to set it up. This time I know the time together. So that's what goes in the numerator. Time together over time alone plus time together over time alone equals one job. So I don't know Greg's time alone. I'm going to solve this equation, but the first thing I'm going to do is put this fraction into lowest terms. It will make it easier to solve this equation. So I divide top and bottom by 4, and that's how I get 5/9 plus 20 over x equals 1. My LCD is 9x. So I'm going to multiply each term in the equation by 9x. And then 9 cancels 9, and that gives me 5x. X cancels x, that gives me 180. And then this is 9x. Subtract the 5x from both sides of the equation. 180 equals 4x. Divide by 4. And then x should be 45 minutes for Greg to work alone, which would make sense because it would take longer than 20 minutes because 20 minutes is what it takes if he works with Cindy. So you'd expect your answer to be bigger than 20 minutes.